Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer craft is so easy to make and lots of fun to play with. Check out the description box for the supplies and template. We cut out all the parts into corresponding colored craft papers. Print out the template and cut out the pieces. Paint the entire paper plate a dark brown color. Let it dry completely. Glue the eyes at the top of the paper plate. Glue the muzzle near the bottom of the paper plate. Now glue the red reindeer nose. Glue the ears in the top back of the paper plate. Place the antlers between the ears and glue it to the back of the paper plate. Now make your smiley face. This is such a simple craft that kids will love to make for the holidays. Thank you for watching.